Pwede add mo ko, accept kita, sana all. Sanity, hi there. Jomanjo, kung gusto mo kong i-add, ikaw lang yung mag-add sa akin. Hindi ako kasi busy ako. Tayo ka naman kung ilan height mo. Naku po. Very difficult for payment. I don't know too. Unsa man kalayo ang langit, gugma mo para sa tanan. I coming your country. I miss you so much. Really? You come in Philippines? You create this so I not do complain to YouTube. Yes, I create, but I have two members, two-person members. I don't know how to just pay the membership, then you are a member. All YouTuber is have like that. Have to join a member if you are monetized. And my channel is monetized that any person site you receive payment. Payment is not receive man. Sa ano lang yan for YouTube. YouTube is help me, help YouTube. Ano ba yun? Hard to explain. It's bahati is ano ba yan? Half me and half to YouTube. Half for the payment. Natawa ako. Your main half you receive and half YouTube receive. Yes, that's correct. Yeah. Two, 240, 249 ba yun? 249, it's only $3 or $4. Yes. It's only $4.